How to find profile photo settings on TikTok. Now, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First, open TikTok now, and now click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and after that now click these three lines. Here is it, click on it, and then once you're here, now here you need to find this one, manage TikTok account, and then click on it, and here we'll find edit profile photo. And as you see here, you can manage your profile photo. Just click edit profile photo and you can change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.